my name's Julia. Welcome to my ebook on how to make a corset. When I started making corsets about 8-9 years ago, I found it quite hard to find all the information I needed in one place. In fact, I found it quite hard to find any information at all. So the knowledge came to me over quite a number of years and a lot of trial and error. So I've written a book to guide you through the process easily, and we're going to cover lots of techniques, including how to make straight bone channels and how to include things like turn of cloth in your corset, which will avoid wrinkles. And we have 2 projects at the end of the book. The first one is how to make a simple single layer corset, and the second project is how to make a more complicated double layer corset, which you could quite easily go on to sell or just wear on a night out, or anything you like really. Give to your friends as a birthday present. And this is one of the corsets that we will take you through in the book, and eventually, you know, you'll be able to make some really fantastic corsets. You'll be able to tap into all your creative skills that you didn't even know you had, in order to make really fabulous corsets with lots of embellishments and lots of different fabrics. And the only thing that will stop you is your imagination.